Welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you another topic, 10 best modern prefab modular homes in the world. It wasn't long ago that the thought of a modular home conjured up ideas of cheap, unsightly dwellings, but that's no longer the case. Indeed, a slew of modular luxury hotels is springing up worldwide. Experts estimate that it will continue to increase over the next 10 years. Modular construction businesses, house builders, and commercial building companies are well positioned to profit from the current expansion. Would you please subscribe and click the bell symbol to receive more videos before continuing? 10. Live Modal, Modal O2. The O2 has ample space for any application, layout, or living arrangement. This 2-bedroom unit has all the features of a 1-bedroom flat, plus a few extra. It has more flexibility than any other modal, allowing you to design the home of your dreams without sacrificing anything. Modal 2 was created with your vision in mind. Permits, site work, waterline, sewer, internet, craning, installation, post-install touch-up, site cleanup, and much more are included in the all-in price. There are no hidden expenses. 9. The Plus Hus. Minarch, a design studio, and Minimod, a structural insulated panel (SIP) manufacturer, collaborated on Plus Hus, a 320 square foot ADU. The Plus Hus are available in 3 sizes, all of which use the same contemporary 320 square foot shell. They range from the open, a 320 square foot room/studio, to the full, which includes a bathroom and kitchenette. If applicable, finishes are included in the purchase price of a Plus Hus and include a tankless water heater, stainless steel appliances, cabinets, and stone countertops. Additionally, Mod's wood-free, highly insulative SIPs are used on interiors and exterior walls. As a result, the Plus Hus is more equipped to withstand fires than a standard, site-built ADU. Furthermore, the Plus Hus is designed to be a net-zero building. The Plus Hus is supplied to the end site as a panelized kit, simplifying logistics. Plus Hus crew can work on a project in the Los Angeles region from start to finish, including site work, foundation laying, permitting assistance, and final assembly and finishing. The Plus Hus can be shipped across California because it is sold as a set of flat-pack panels. 8. Villa Homes, Villa 550. Who says you can't have both comfort and style without breaking the bank? Ultra-modern apartments distinguish this project from distinctive external and interior designs that abound with incomparable elegance, and the most current building materials and construction techniques provide a comfortable stay. Spacious terraces with stunning sea views, light meticulously planned interiors, and an open yet warm atmosphere, this magnificent shelter is ideal for a relaxed home holiday. The dwellings are A-shaped for energy efficiency and come in a high-tech integrated smart home system that manages all the residents' comfort and life support systems. It is the ideal investment in your family's future since it offers the best balance of price, quality, and living comfort. The Villa 550 is a setup with additional natural light, a wall-length bedroom closet, and the option to add a kitchen island. Veev, 993 Los Robles. 993 Los Robles Avenue in Palo Alto, California, one of the newest residences to enter Silicon Valley's real estate market, may appear similar to any other luxury property in the neighborhood. After all, the property includes all of the standard rich family home amenities, such as innovative home technology and an elevator, plus it's only a 15-minute drive from Stanford University and the Googleplex. However, the mansion conceals a big secret that distinguishes it from the rest of the neighborhood's luxury residences. The $9.3 million 993 Los Robles mansion is a prefabricated house, meaning sections were manufactured off-site at a factory. Like other prefab home builders, Akiva thinks, may assist relieve the housing crisis, the technology is frequently demanded more time, money, waste, and labor efficient than traditional construction. Veev's complete prefab building system can produce a home's wall while also integrating electrical, plumbing, lighting, and sensors all within its factory. According to Akiva, this technology allows the firm to create a home 4 times faster than a traditional building. 6. Steelbox, Modal 2. Affordably priced, simple to construct, and elegantly designed, Modal 2 gives a terrific chance to add a guest home, rental unit, granny flat, ultra-awesome man cave, or she shed to your property because they are pre-designed and ready to go. This 640 square foot, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condominium is stylish and functional. The Model 2 is intelligently designed to offer an open and comfortable floor plan with the seclusion needed for an isolated sleeping room, as seen here with the optional external cladding. The most up-to-date intelligent home features are included. Smart systems that make your life simpler are required in today's houses. They must be contemporary, stylish, and efficient. 5. Connect Homes, Connect 5. A modern single-story dwelling is here to stay. This model is ideal for a stylish couple wishing to raise a family, since it makes efficient use of every square foot to create a pleasant family home without stairs. Living in a glassy, open-concept area is lovely for living and socializing. Connect Homes Connect 5 Prefab Home Model is a single-level, 1,600 square foot home with 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The residence comprises 5 Connect 40-foot extension modules and has open space, indoor-outdoor living, and enormous glass spans. The house has a large master bedroom with a separate master bath. A centralized kitchen permits a vast living and dining room in a shared living space's corners. These rooms get a lot of natural light because of the glass windows and sliding glass doors. Separate laundry and mechanical closets are also included in the design. 4. Artisans Group, Statera. Statera is a cutting-edge, modern, passive house that emphasizes balance at the core of its design. Statera will rise from its site with a second-story cantilever at both the front and rear to take in broad territorial vistas and Mount Rainier thanks to its Seattle position. With these views, the home's positioning and architecture will keep it pleasant and healthy throughout the year. In addition, Statera represents the latest in sustainable construction with a whole house air filtration system, passive house prefab wall and roof assembly technology, and high-performance windows strategically positioned to prevent overheating while optimizing solar gain. 3. Amagansett Modular House. The objective to achieve budget targets while maintaining a compelling and clean space through simple spatial arrangement and materials. As a result, we based room layout and structural needs on the rectilinear geometry of containers and their inherent structural strengths. In actuality, the modest 10-foot by 10-foot second-floor expansion is efficiently bolted and welded back to the main structure and kept in tension with no beams beneath it. The 2-bedroom container is set slightly apart from the central system to create courtyard-like outdoor areas that allow the building to blend into the undulating terrain while making the tiny house feel more expansive. During construction, a single tall oak tree was carefully preserved and served as a vital point for connecting the two halves of the structure. The transparent bridge that connects these two building segments is surrounded by long grasses and plants, making for a pleasant walkthrough experience both on the bridge and as one approaches the house's front entrance. Our structure was placed in 2 days, completed in 2 months, and costs much less than current construction prices. 2. VMD. VMD, Vivienda Minima de Descanso, is a novel prefabricated home system that offers a luxurious option to living in the city while minimizing the environmental effect of new construction. This 1 or 2 bedroom house, created from ecologically friendly material, may be ready for permanent immersion in a place of choice in only 99 days, with no disruption to the landscape. It allows those who want to invest in a weekend home to do so without dealing with construction, effort, bother, and the cost that comes with building and maintaining a home. VMD supports forward-thinking environmental mindsets. It celebrates and respects the environment by using just the space and resources required. These dwelling units, manufactured from sturdy shipping containers and prefabricated in a factory, decreased the number of resources needed and trash created while avoiding the environmental effects of a building site. Eco-friendly items were a significant factor. 1. Friends Lab House. The exterior consists of a porous, black-stained Akoya timber batten screen, which camouflages the home as an agricultural structure, with roof and facades on the same plane, in a simple and obvious gesture. Except for the living area, where a new half-bay was created to expose the house to the southern fields, the roof is double-pitched through the structure. The house's interior is designed to be the polar opposite of its dark exterior. Bright and airy, with limestone and lime-based mineral micromortar, Mortex, flooring, and chestnut paneled or Mortex walls. When open, sliding doors inside the outside wall lead to small terraces that operate as small private islands anchored within the outer environment. The rooms are completely blended with the surroundings. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.